So today I want to discuss like what exactly do I have to do in this business, or ऐसी like I'm associated with which company. So I can't tell the name of the company, but I can help you to understand कि मैं एक Japanese company से के product से associated हूँ. I'm an affiliate marketer, and वो company हमें health products, they focus on health products, premium health products, and because I have stayed in Japan before coming to Shanghai. I have 101% faith in Japan and Japanese quality and products. So I never had to worry about the quality of the product. And also, मेरे husband Japan में, after college he got a job and he was in Japan. He has spent around 3 years before marriage and a couple of years after marriage in Japan. He can speak Japanese too, and he very well knows Japan. सो ये बहुत बड़ा रीज़न था, बिकॉज अगर किसी और प्रोडक्ट किसी और कंट्री से होता तो मे बी आई वुड हैव टेकन लिटिल लॉन्गर, और मेरा जो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर है वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होता. बट एज आई हैव लिव्ड इन जापान, एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई आई agreed to be an affiliate marketer for a Japanese product. Now it's a health product. हम इतना सब कुछ spend करते हैं. We buy jewelries, we buy houses, we buy cars, but when health is wealth, अगर हम health में invest करें तो then everything else what we are investing makes sense. So this is it, and so I want to explain what I do. I'm not selling a product, I'm selling an opportunity, and that is why people who join in this business join with this perspective. क्योंकि it's an opportunity where you can build your empire, you can set up your business. आप प्रोडक्ट के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनने के बाद you become an affiliate marketer. तो first of all you can recover your invested cost. There is a robust system, proven system, which has been built, which makes your journey very smooth, and you don't have to worry about strategies and all, because it is given to you. It's like आप MBA कर रहे हो along with real life practice. Like startup भी start किया and you're doing MBA because you're doing marketing, you are doing networking कर रहे हो, communication सीख रहे हो, strategies, blueprints, everything. So you can I think it's a good way to let you know कि what we exactly have to do in this business. So मैं marketing करती हूँ, branding करती हूँ, I'm building my empire. I have different social media channels where I talk about this and people reach out to me. The specific details you can get only when you register on my website. Like company का नाम, क्या उसमें आपको कितना इन्वेस्ट करना है, प्रोडक्ट का नाम, कुछ लोग हो सकता है जानते हैं ऑलरेडी, दे कैन गेस ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग कंपनी. एंड अभी हमारा सैन डिएगो में देर इज़ अ बिग इवेंट हैपनिंग वेयर पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड आर गोइंग टू मीट. आई कुड नॉट गो दिस टाइम, बट डेफिनेटली आई गो नेक्स्ट टाइम. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग इवेंट, एंड पीपल मीट ईच अदर. इट्स अ मीटअप. आई थिंक अराउंड thousands and thousands of people are going to be there. So now if you are interested, want